So we had an overflow problem on the dishwasher. Water was shooting out of this air gap, and pulling this tool in and out, we find that there's a lot of crud that was caught in the black tube between the disposer and the air gap. So we're just going in with this tool, trying to get all that stuff out. May take about 3 or 4 times, and then you should be clear of all the debris. Okay. So we just cleaned the air gap tube between the air gap and the disposer. We're going to see if that now cured the problem. So we'll turn the dishwasher back on. See if the water's going to drain. So we hear it draining. It appears to be working now. It's draining into the sink and not shooting out of this hole. So problem cured. Only takes a few minutes. Thanks for watching.